Welcome to Lichtsinn RV here in Forest City, Iowa, the home of the Winnebago Motorhome Factory. I'm Ron Lichtsinn, and I want to thank you for visiting our dealership, the nation's closest dealer to the Winnebago Motorhome Factory. For nearly 50 years, we've had the opportunity to help thousands of guests with their parts, service, and sales needs. Since that time, we've invested in all new facilities and added over 30 jobs to our community in which we live.
We're located only 1 mile north of the Winnebago factory here in Forest City, Iowa, which provides many benefits to you, our guests. Having no delivery miles on your new RV allows you to break in your new investment in accordance with the way the chassis manufacturer wants you to break in that new investment, not necessarily in the way a delivery driver may and do tow their own personal vehicle out to your local dealer. You're making an investment, and it should be treated that way. Being right down the road from Winnebago allows us to provide upfront, no-hassle pricing to you, our guests, with cost advantages over other RV dealers. Winnebago, including Winnebago Class B camper vans, are the only specialized new motorhome lines we offer. We back this with unprecedented product knowledge on your new RV from the people here in Forest City who built the motorhome that you own. Quite frankly, we know your RV before and after the sale. We are proud to be a family-owned and operated business for nearly 50 years and are the largest full-line Winnebago dealership in North America, featuring a wide scope of in-stock RVs, including certified pre-owned warranty support on late-model used RVs. Our guests speak highly of our flawless indoor delivery experience, in which we provide, at no charge, a full educational orientation for us to show you what to do, what not to do, covering maintenance and warranty. We have state-of-the-art hookups on site and provide all of our guests filtered soft water, free Wi-Fi, and a spot to stay after their delivery and during any service visit, all at no charge. While you are here, shop our RV parts store or bring in your tablet or laptop and relax in one of our 2 technology-driven guest lounge areas. In our service lounge area, look out onto our state-of-the-art production level studio where we take all of our inventory photos and videos for our website, as well as holding live, high-definition, interactive presentations with our guests throughout the world. Or take in a full delivery experience with an award-winning Winnebago Motorhome Factory tour. Buying out of your home state from Lichtsinn RV, the nation's closest dealer to the Winnebago Motorhome Factory, doesn't mean buying without nationwide support. Every Winnebago dealer is required in their franchise agreement from Winnebago Industries to service new RVs, regardless of where the original purchase location was. And we have the largest Winnebago parts team in the U.S. for support down the road. Many of our pre-owned RVs are certified pre-owned RVs, in which we back the RV with a service plan good at any dealer in the U.S. or Canada.
Our factory direct experience is backed by awards of outstanding guest service. Our dealership has been a Flying W Circle of Excellence Award winner each year since its inception in 1994.
And our guests have listened. We are the largest motorhome dealer in the state of Iowa, and we sell and service motorhomes throughout North America.
Purchase and service your RV and experience the best here at Lichtsinn RV, the nation's closest dealer to the Winnebago Motorhome Factory here in Forest City, Iowa. We look forward to providing you best of class experience for your parts, service, and sales needs.